What's up, y'all? My name is Jed Mahrle. This is my Aligned Digital Sales Room template. I'm a big fan of using Aligned in digital sales rooms for the top of funnel use case because I think it's a great way to stand out when everybody's just trying to book meetings. If you can provide some sort of value up front, it allows the prospect to trust you a lot more and eventually want to take a call with you. And so that's exactly what I've been doing. I've been including collateral, helpful resources, videos, and much more all into one room that I can track everyone's engagement with so I can then go and follow up with those people very intentionally. And there's really two ways I like to use this. Well, there's a third as well, but the primary ways that I use it are either as a PS in my email. So at the bottom of my email, I'll say, PS, I put together some information around how we help with this, solving this problem. Check it out if you're curious to learn more. And what that does is it allows you to capture a bigger chunk of your list, because I've found that anywhere from 5 to 15% of the people that I email will go ahead and click on that link, check out more information, and is a great way to start warming them up. And then again, you have analytics on where they're spending on each part of the page so that you can follow up with them very intentionally. I also use this on LinkedIn essentially as a lead magnet. So you can set your digital sales room to only allow people to enter it if they enter their email. And so I'll essentially create a digital sales room around some sort of problem and provide some sort of information around how to solve that problem. And then when I share it on LinkedIn and people start entering their emails, I can go ahead and follow up with them and say, hey, I saw you check this out, get into my value proposition, etc. The final way is that if you're doing enterprise prospecting and you've done a lot of research on a prospect, you want to show them the research you've done and kind of the light business case that you've created for them in a sense. And so that's a great way to use this for your rooms as well. And so I'm going to break down exactly how you can use this template if you want to use it for the top of funnel use case. So I like having a quick note here with a call to action to book time with me if they're open to learning more, and just kind of explaining what the context of the room is about. And so the whole goal of this is to provide resources around the problem you solve with the goal of helping them get more information to solve part of that problem for free so that they'll have enough trust with you to come back to you and say, hey, I want to take a call with you to learn how you can help me solve the whole problem. And so again, this is just a template here with a fake company called SalesZing. But what I like to do is include some sort of resource, whether I created it myself or it's collateral I found online. I'll include that there. I like to include a short video. These are generally 30 seconds to 1 minute long. I'm usually just doing a quick screen share of the most impactful part of my product or solution to explain to them and kind of give them a visual of how we can help solve these problems. Additionally, I like to add some sort of context on how we stand out from the competition, because when they're seeing this, I want them to be very clear on why our solution is different. And then finally, I'd like to have a call to action to book a call with me. And so it makes it very easy for people once they've gone through, gotten the value from the previous resources here. The next step is they can book a call, or they can drop a question down here if they want to engage further, like, hey, seems interesting, send me more information, I have a question, etc. And so if you guys want to try this out, go ahead and copy this template, use it for yourself. Again, it's a great way to capture more of your list when you're emailing people or doing any sort of outbound, because most sales reps are not using this sort of effort in their outbound. And it's just a great way to provide value up front. So thanks for watching the video, and I hope you guys check this out.